I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and today we're taking a look at all of the locally Busch Flower Farm flowers put together in an interactive bud vase setting. So we've used the water frame bud vases, and we have all of this motion and interaction going between all these florals. So it's really impactful and just showing the beautiful Lisianthus, lily, and Gerberas blooms that are grown here in Plymouth, and just how it could be put together for an event, for everyday arrangement, buy one, get one, or any kind of summer special or like that, so that you could have people take something home for themselves and give something to somebody else. So these are the bud vases that I chose for this interactive design. And using our locally grown Busch Flower Farm flowers, you can see with the bud vases here, they're lower profile and have a little bit wider base. And that's going to give us some movement back and forth. And so just going to be a minute while I put this together. So you can see how easily that went together, and just how these Busch Flower Farms flowers are interacting together in this one composite design. They're just dancing and floating above the table. So make sure and add some of the BFF flowers to your cart today.